Hi there! It's such a beautiful day in this enchanted forest. I've been noticing a lot of mysterious changes with the squirrels collecting tons of pine nuts to put in their kitchen for winter. And those bears are putting on some extra weight to prepare as well. Let's continue on one of my favorite trails to explore what other magic might be hiding in this forest. That's fresh smell of pine. Huh! What's this? I know this forest very well, and I've never noticed something like this before. It's a little sign on this miniature cage. If this door is open, it means the fairies have escaped? Fairies? This is enchanted. Let's go check it out and see if we can find some more clues. I think I've spotted something. It's pretty shiny. Some very beautiful crystals. I've not known to find crystals in these parts before. This looks like a note. What does it say? You are right. It is enchanted. Oh my goodness, I really need to find these fairies. Let's keep going and see if there's anything more to find. Binoculars are helpful. I've spotted something else. What could this be? Another note. Excellent. This one says, come back to this trail soon to learn more about this enchanted forest. You bet I'm gonna come back.